This is what's going to be going in the fall garden. Let me see if I can lift this up. This is what's going to be in the fall garden. So we're just going to have collards, some kale, some cabbage, bell pepper, 2 different types of cabbage actually, some broccoli, some Brussels sprouts. We're going to have some Swiss chard. We're going to have some spinach, some red onion, some white onion, some broccoli. Just a whole lot of. And actually, we're waiting to see if the weather is going to get, if the weather is going to get a little bit cooler, because it is still hot in Georgia. So I just wanted to show y'all that little bit right there. I'm just standing inside, just came from outside, and I just thought, let me just show, because I had some people that were asking about this as well. We have this little fan that was installed in here too, and it's just a little clip fan, nothing major, and it just has all these different little outlets just in case you needed to have it. Just got a extension cord running, so when we had the lights and everything in here, but this is all that we have, and these are just some little strip lights that's going down in here just so it can give it the light that it needs. But that is it. Just wanted to show y'all that. Hydroponic tent, grow tent on Amazon is by Opulent Systems, and we've had it since December. This is the brand right here. If you were interested in doing the hydroponic setup or just having a grow tent in general.